If you are one of millions of Americans missing most or all of your teeth on one or both of your jaws, full arch restoration is an excellent treatment option for you to consider. This procedure fully restores a complete arch of your teeth and is the best, most effective long-term treatment option for restoring your smile. Full arch restoration is a highly desirable procedure because it produces permanent, natural-looking results. During this treatment, 4 to 6 dental implants are used to support a full arch of beautiful new teeth. The implants are placed directly into the jaw, creating a sturdy foundation for your new set of teeth.
The dental implants also stimulate the jawbone and help prevent jawbone loss caused by missing teeth. We take a team-based approach to your treatment and can provide a new set of teeth the same day as your procedure. We coordinate with a top dental lab to have a lab tech fabricate the temporary prosthesis during the surgery. Our highest priority is to provide you with a smile that can look so natural, no one can tell you've undergone full arch restoration.
Our practice serves a wide region in Bergen County and the greater New Jersey and New York areas. We are proud to offer a variety of procedures from routine dental implant placement and wisdom teeth removal to cosmetic and aesthetic procedures. If you have any further questions about our services, please feel free to contact us and schedule a consultation. We appreciate the opportunity to care for you at North Jersey Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery.